Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax. We're your local Sea Ray dealer here in beautiful Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to take a look at this gorgeous new Sea Ray 260 SLX Outboard. Just arrived in the beautiful horizon gray hull color. Big electric power tower, water sports tower. Black gel stripe. It's actually built into the Joko. It's not a decal. This one is really special. It's powered by this monster V10 400 Mercury. This boat is a ripper. So cool. The size of the propeller this V10 pushes now. Underwater lights, sea deck flooring here, freshwater shower back here. Awesome sun pad. Look at all the coverage you get from this tower. Huge outdoor speakers as well. Gorgeous swim ladder, nice easy walk through, USB outlets and stereo controls everywhere. Look at how modern and cool this cockpit is. It's also a self-bailing cockpit, so you don't have to worry about relying on your bilge pumps for any water that gets in the cockpit here. LED lighted cup holders everywhere. Beautiful teak table you can store away. Just look at the stitching, look at the attention to detail, just even on the captain's chairs. You have a nice big cooler under this seat here. Lots of storage under this seat. On the port side, this helm is like off a spaceship. It's so cool. All full DTS controls, digital throttle and shift. Awesome stereo from Fusion, upgraded premium sound, twin Simrad, digital dash, glove box, more lighted cup holders. This even has a vacuum flush toilet in here. Same toilet all the yachts have. Freshwater sink as well. You could change in here. It's lighted. Stainless steel windshield cap. Nice easy walk through with a block off door. Armrests. Again, the sea deck goes throughout the boat. Another table you can store under here and deploy when you want to. Access to your gorgeous windlass controls here. Stainless steel anchor. Look from the back. Such a cool boat. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Sea Ray Boats, Pompano Beach, Florida, MarineMax. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Again, this was a 2025 Sea Ray SLX 260 Outboard with the beast on the back. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.